Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on gold, guys. What are we expecting on gold? I will do a quick recap on my previous analysis on what I was expecting on gold, guys. So on gold, I was expecting a continuation to push to the upside on gold. So I said that as long as we are below this trend line right here, we should be expecting a sell on gold. And I think gold was around this area right here. So I said there is a possibility that it might push up a little bit to touch this trend line, which is around 1929.81, before we now continue to zoom to the downside. And we can see that we didn't get to that trend line, but we can see that a pattern appeared. The M pattern, which is a reversal pattern around that area right here, which was a possibility that we might start reversing around that area, and it was reversing around my 38.2% fib level, which was a good one right there. And we can see that after an M pattern reverse, right, there's always a possibility for it to come to around that area before we start pushing to the downside. So this was a perfect entry right here. I can see this imbalance. I can see this break of structure. It came back to around this imbalance to retest, which is great. So, and it also formed this double top too as well. So there were a lot of confluences for us to take the trade on GU, and the peeps was really good as well. We can see from here to right here, that was 200, almost 220 peeps, which was amazing right there. So we can see that gold hit her first target, which was 1913, hit my second target 1904. That was a beautiful trade on gold, guys. That was a beautiful trade. And I said, in case we all know that you can't predict the market, you can react to the market. So I said, in case if we push to the upside and returns the straight line, then my buy target will be around this area right here. But we can see that we didn't get there, so that was invalid. So I'm gonna delete this previous price action, this previous analysis, and reanalyze based on my current price action. So now what am I looking for now, guys? We can see that we are still currently on a downtrend. I'm gonna draw a fib. I'm gonna draw a trend line here from point A to B right around this area. Let's see, 1 hour. So we can see, let's go to a 10-minute time frame just to show. So we can see right around here, guys, that we are still right here. So now what am I expecting? I'm expecting a push to the continue to the downside, but there are different scenarios right around here. Let's see if a smaller time frame can do a little bit more justice to that. So my next target on gold will be, if you're continuing to push to the downside, will be around this area right here, which is 1830.93. So you can see, you can draw just another counter trend line right here. Let me change the color of that. Okay, so now what are we looking for right now? I see a possibility of it coming here a little bit, maybe around this zone right here. Let's draw a zone here. So we might push up a little bit to that zone. So I think we might come here a little bit to the zone, then push to the downside. That is my first scenario, because you can see this break of structure right here. It might push up a little bit to give me a little bit right there. Then also it can give us third touch of a trend line right here before we now continue to zoom to the downside. As you can see, and our target is 1893, right? That's my first possibility. My second possibility is when I come here, break this zone, come here to retest, and our direction will be possible around this area right here. Let me go to bigger time frame just to see if I see any. There's no imbalance though, so probably might not get to that level. So let's see. I didn't see any imbalance, so probably might not get to that level, but let me just put the scenario right here, around this area right here. Okay, so if you're gonna push to the upside, right, to probably touch this trend line, my possible target will be 1910, around that area. So, but my bias is more of a sell. My bias is more of a sell right now until anything happens. So we might come here, then when we get to this level right here, anything can happen. But like I said, you have to be open-minded when you're trading. You can't always stick to your bias. You have to follow the market. So these are my options on Xauusd, guys. Hope you find it insightful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and I will see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.